In this 6 weeks course, you will learn how to achieve top search engine positioning. Discover how search engines work and how important events have shaped the entire search engine optimization industry. Learn which search engines are used most frequently and which ones you must absolutely get your site listed in. Master important HTML tags and understand how to use them effectively. Explore citing and free online tools that can help you choose the most popular keywords related to the topic of your website. The SEO process covers many aspects of the website and includes various activities to improve the ranking of web pages in the SERPs, search engine result pages. SEO activities help to increase the visibility of a web page by not only enabling it to rank higher in the SERPs of the major search engines. Developing a keyword list is one of the most important things you can do to get your website listed with search engines. This step-by-step instructions for creating astounding, comprehensive keyword lists that are second to none. You'll learn how the layout of your website content can greatly impact your search engine rankings. You'll master the ability of developing the portions of the web page that are heavily scrutinized by search engines. You'll also learn about the importance of using content-related keywords. You will also learn powerful online and offline promotion techniques that can improve your search engine rankings. This course will discuss how using affiliate programs can be beneficial to you as well. At the end of the course, you will learn how to monitor your effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Keep in mind, an instructor will help guide you through the course as to whom you can direct your questions to. You'll get 24/7 hour access to the courseware, chapter and quizzes to ensure that you are learning important aspects of every chapter. Chapter assignments to help you practically use the search engine optimization skills that you will learn during the search engine optimization course. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave some thumbs up or down, let me know if I'm heading in the right direction. The links will be in the description below for this course. Shout out to Ben Sound for his royalty-free music beats downloads. Please check out his site, which I will leave a link in the description as well. You also have the option to purchase his music beats too. Make sure you make your way over to Facebook. Check me out at Markie Williams, in which I will also have an online certification page there, which you can like, follow, and also comment on. So many thanks to you guys. Markie Williams, I'm out.